On today's edition of Will It Work, first off, we have a special guest star. This is Greta. She's crazy when I'm on the computers here. Anyways, it's Ultima 6, The False Prophet for Commodore 64. I honestly didn't even know this was made for Commodore until not too long ago because it's such a late release that I can't even believe that they took time to port this to the Commodore 64. By the time it came out in 1990, Commodore 64 would have already been pretty dated. So, oddly enough, disc 3, the backside of disc 3 is the game disc. It's not disc 1, it's not disc 2. It's really strange. Disc 1 is, side A is Surface, back is Dungeon. Anyways, so I put it in, and I put in my warped fast load program, and let's see if it works. So far, so good. So what? Oh, music. That's good. It's a good sign. So this came with the manual, came with all 3 discs. And back in the day, for those of you who are youngins, used to have cool things like cloth maps. I mean, look at that. Simply amazing. But let's see if this loads. Oh yeah, look at that, Origin. Wow. Yeah, this says 1990. It's crazy that they released this for Commodore 64. By 1990, Commodore 64 would have already been extremely antiquated. And I honestly thought that Part 5, which came out in 1988, was the last release. This is pretty rare. I happened to snag it on Evil Bay. I paid more than most people probably would. But look at this. It is working. Cool intro. I can't believe all this fits on one side of a Commodore 64 disc, honestly. This intro is probably larger than 90% of the games that were made for Commodore 64. Just shows what Origin was, how good Origin was at their craft. Once again, the stranger, or the avatar, is going to have to save Britannia, I'm guessing. Well, it works. I'm pretty happy to say. Ultima 6 False Prophet for Commodore 64. Don't see that very often. Map and everything.